Let's say the things that we both know. Gonna take these words and make them stone. I know a place on the edge of town. The whiskey and the wind are the only sound. Let's make like a tree, grow some roots, do all the things that old folks do.
I've had the privilege of standing next to you and watching you grow into an amazing, beautiful woman. Now I'm honored to stand next to you and watch you marry your best friend.
Got a key and I've got a lock. Let's build a house upon a rock. Let's build a house upon a rock.
Kayleigh, one of my biggest beliefs in life is that everything happens for a reason. We are living proof of that. We both had separate endings in our lives at the same time in order to start a new beginning together. When we first met in Mystic, I knew that this was going to be forever. Page 2. Fell in love with your eyes, your smile, your drive, your free spirit. I could keep going on, but we're only here till 11, so I gotta go.
I need you and you need me. What else more could someone need? You've got a key and I've got a lock. Let's build a house upon a rock. Let's build a house upon a rock.
First of all, I'd like to thank Dylan for asking me to be his best man. It's been an honor and a privilege. Thank you, bud. I also wanted to thank Dylan and Kayleigh's parents and family and friends, not just for being here, but for coming together to plan such an amazing wedding. You can really tell that you are all already one family. Most of all, I want to thank Kayleigh for making my best friend happier than I have ever seen him. There isn't a whole lot to do in Hebron where we grew up, so we spend a lot of time just cruising around in Dylan's beloved van looking for trouble, playing sting pong in the garage, lighting off fireworks in our friends' driveways in the middle of the night, going fishing with little pieces of hot dog for bait, even though we never caught anything. And I'd like to say we do more grown-up things now when we get together, but really not much has changed. For instance, Dylan still can't catch any fish. But he landed the catch of his life when he met Kayleigh. I remember when Dylan started dating Kayleigh, things just clicked. Things just seemed to fall into place naturally, and their whole relationship has been like that. They don't have to force anything. I first met Kayleigh at one of Dylan's brother's football games, and this was early in their relationship, but they were already so comfortable and at ease with each other. You could just feel it when you were around them, and you still can. I went to another wedding earlier this summer. They were an older couple in their early 60s, and the bride gave this beautiful speech about how she had been waiting her whole life for someone she could truly and completely be herself with. Someone who loved her for exactly who she was. And she said she waited a very long time for that kind of love, but it was worth it. And I'm so glad that the two of you haven't had to wait so long for that kind of love.
values, my dreams, and my constant look to the future. You've managed to encourage my ambitions while supporting me when I fall. And of course, you have your flaws, like being a Giants fan. But I vow to always look past that. People thought I was absolutely crazy for driving an hour away to meet a stranger. But I can't imagine where I'd be without you. I love you and promise to choose you today, tomorrow, and every day.
Come stay out lucky just to know you.